Child, this wig is jacked up, but it won't be for long. Okay, boom. So this is my V-part wig that I've been wearing faithfully for some time now. Okay, this is what it looks like. It has the clips right here, and then it has this elastic band, which in my opinion doesn't really do much. And then these little straps. Can you guys see that? These straps down here. Okay, so I'm basically going to wash my wig in the sink. Yeah. I use my husband's shampoo to wash my wig. This is the Tresemme Collagen and Peptide Instant Value, blasey blasey blasey. So that's what that looks like. I have a little tiny bit of conditioner left over from I got this from a beauty supply store, Curl Junkie Curl Assurance Daily Hair Conditioner. I'm gonna wash my wig with this as well. So let's get started. Okay, boom. So we finished the part with washing our wig. I like to wash my wig and then start my hair because the wig actually dries really fast and I want it to have a little bit of water in it so it's still kind of moisturized. All right, so we're gonna be working on this section right here. Okay, almost. So probably about right here. Before we do anything else, I'm gonna take some of this Maya Rosemary Edge Strengthening Gel and put a little bit of that on my edges here as well, right? Then I'm gonna go in with my Talia Wajid Hold Me Down Jelly and grab just a little smidge like that, put that there, and then we're gonna put that on top of the hairline as well. I'm gonna come close so you guys can see, and then I'm just brushing my edges. Not doing anything special. We're literally just brushing them. If you have short hair like me, a little elastic, I'm gonna put these pieces in a little bun. Doesn't have to be too tight. And these pieces right here, as you can see, they're not long enough to go in a bun. So that's where the clips come in. I use these clips. If you have like clips that are like the color of your hair, it's just better. But I'm just gonna do this like such. And same with this side. Like so, clips are all in. So we have our wig, we have all the clips open, and we're just gonna clip them in. Like such, and then like such. Okay, boom. So now that we have that done, we can go ahead and start laying our hair down essentially. Hair with water. You want to make sure it's nice and coated with water. Then I'm gonna go in with my Talia Wajid Green Apple and Aloe with Coconut. Oh, do I have the right labels on these? Yeah, this is the Curl Elixir, so it's like a cream. It smells very good too. So about that much. You want to kind of just make sure that the hair is fully coated. And then you see that? It's gonna start blending in. Right? Then that same section of hair, I put some of that gel on it. Right here. And you want to make sure to get the roots as well too. You're not focusing on really getting it on the wig hair, you're focusing on getting it on your real hair. So that's that. It looks crazy, but we're gonna go ahead and do the other side. So at this section, I like to start pushing the hairs back because they're gonna cover the track at the top, right? So this is what it looks like right now, right? And I'm gonna go in with a soft-ish bristle brush and just brush it down. This really helps to blend it with the wig. Okay, so yes, we're gonna take this, we're gonna shake it up a little bit, and a few pumps, have a generous amount, and then we're just gonna rub that all over. I go in with an oil. I take the Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil, and I put that on my scalp. First, I'm gonna put just a little bit on my scalp. I try to go all the way to the front just in case it won't drip down my scalp, and then the rest I pour on my hand, rub my hands together, and this is gonna ensure that my real hair is shiny and stays shiny, and that it blends in with the wig. Okay, now for, I guess, the last-ish step is I'm gonna take some of this gel, a little bit on my finger, and I'm just gonna fix over here. I just want to make sure that the hair is giving. It looks nice. So I'll do some here. And voila! Ta-da! That's the back. You can see. That is how I install my V-part wig. Yeah, I just love this wig so much. It's a great protective style for me. I know we all have different things. So if this is not for you, that's okay. It's a great protective style for me. I'll put the link where I got it down below. I'm going to do a top view so you guys can see the top of my head as well. See that there are no tracks showing, nothing like that. Sorry, there's no track showing. Ciao. Everybody be thinking this is my hair, and so do I. So do I. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Essentially, to touch it up throughout the week, I do kind of the same process on the top. But if you want to see a video about how I touch it up, let me know in the comments. And until next time, bye.